Hey everyone, it's Mike Song with two really great Excel tips that you've got to try. Whenever you want to put a filter on, use Control Shift L. Control Shift L is a great way to turn your filter on. And then if you do a bunch of filtered sorts with that, and especially if you do more than one filter, which I often do, because you're looking at all the different data, to quickly reset these without having to click on each button, which is painstakingly slow, hit Control Shift L. That turns it off and basically gives you all your data back. Control Shift L again, same exact thing, puts the filter back on because that's a really simple way to reset those filters. The second tip is a little more advanced but incredibly useful. When you're trying to look at the filtered sum, so if you filter for something and want to see how many dollars that is, in this example, if you put the sum down here, whenever you filter, it'll disappear. It'll just disappear. Trust me, it's not very useful. But if you use this formula, equals subtotal parentheses 9, which is the command for sum, and then the range that you want it to sum once filtered, I've just used Control Shift down to select all of that, close parentheses, entered. Then what you can see is that whenever you do a filter for something, you get the dollar amount of that thing that you filtered. So this is far more informative than just trying to guess if what you filtered out is a high or low number. Hope you enjoyed those tips and tricks, and we'll see you at the next Get Control Digital Skills webinar.